We are at 2211 Gray Wing Street, Woodbridge, Virginia. Did you find some bees? We're going to be doing a repair to the shingles to see if it is too rigid or if it's pliable enough to be repaired. This is the shingle here. Find the edges. Is that it? Yep. This is the shingle they're going to be replacing. And we will have to lift 2 rows of shingles above the one that we are replacing in order to release the shingle that needs to be taken out. Oh, is it over there? Sure?
Yep. It's from right here to over here.
Oh, they cut this one.
Yep, that's why.
Okay. So it was a nut double cut in there. All right, hold it right there. See how far he has it lifted up? It is at 2 inches. Also want to show we brought a speed square with us. This is a 45-degree angle up here at this point, and according to guidelines, you're not supposed to be lifting it any more than 45 degrees. As you can see, we are way below 45 degrees. Shingle is out. Okay. You can see where there's granular displacement here and here. Same thing right there. Down here on this one. Some in this area here. And across here. Yep, even the one above it. What happens with that is with that granular displacement, it exposes the fiberglass and the matting to the sun, and it actually allows for deterioration by the sun, premature deterioration. Again, as you can see, well below 45 degrees. Okay, so we have it replaced. As you can see, there are several areas of granular displacement, creasing, it's also referred to. Because of that, it would require additional shingles to be replaced to do this correctly and properly. So this would be listed as a fail because it would actually triangulate up towards the top to where it's going to be majority of the roofing shingles needing to be replaced to do the repairs correctly.